Ever wonder why the ground occasionally decides to have a literal temper tantrum? Or if you've ever felt your floor do a little shimmy and thought, is the earth trying to tell me something? Well, I hate to ruin the vibe, but the ground isn't actually mad at you. It's not an omen, and it's not trying to send us a message from the center of the planet. It's just, well, it's physics. Let's break down why the ground decides to break up with your sense of stability. In short, earthquakes happen because the giant plates of rock that make up our world are trying to move, getting stuck on each other like a jammed gear, and then suddenly snapping forward when they can't hold back anymore. That sudden snap releases energy as seismic waves, which is just a fancy way of saying the ground shakes. To understand this, let's look at something much more relatable than tectonic plates: a stuck door. Imagine you're trying to push a heavy door that is slightly jammed in its frame. You push and push, but it won't budge because of friction. You are putting energy into that door. The door is resisting you. Now imagine if you pushed so hard that, bam, the door suddenly gave way and swung open violently. That pushing was the force of the earth moving. The stuck part was the friction, and the swing was the earthquake. Now let's swap the door for the actual earth. Our planet's outer shell isn't one solid piece of rock. It's broken into massive pieces called tectonic plates. Think of them as a giant, jagged jigsaw puzzle floating on a hot, semi-fluid layer of rock underneath. These plates are constantly moving, but we're talking slow here, like centimeters per year slow. They aren't sliding smoothly like they're on a slip and slide. Because the edges of these plates are rough and jagged, they get caught on each other. This is called friction. When two plates get stuck but keep trying to move, the rock begins to deform. It's building up stress, almost like a giant rubber band being stretched tighter and tighter. For years, or even centuries, the rocks are just holding that tension, waiting for their breaking point. Eventually, the stress becomes too much for the friction to hold. The rocks literally break or slip past one another in a split second. This is the snap. When that happens, all that stored up energy is released instantly as seismic waves. These waves travel through the ground like ripples in a pond, and when they hit your house, they make your coffee cup do a little dance. This specific crack where the snap happens is what we call a fault line. I know, it sounds intense. But here's the thing. While earthquakes are scary, they aren't mysteries. By understanding that an earthquake is just a mechanical failure of rock under stress, a physical release of energy, we move it from the spooky monster category into the predictable geological process category. It's not the Earth being moody, it's just physics doing its thing. If you enjoyed this deep dive into why the ground moves, hit subscribe for more science explained simply.